It's May 2024 and we've parked up just outside York city centre.
We're here today to meet another YouTube legend. I want you to keep an open mind. Wonder who it is?
And whilst that view of the York sign and York Minster behind is absolutely amazing, you're not going to believe who we've just seen. Let me spin you around. It's Cara from Open Minded Wanderer. Check it out.
Here we are at York's Railway Museum, just a short walk out of the city centre.
We're here today because the Which Consumer Survey Group has just voted this one of the best things for free you can do in the entire country. So we're here today to check it out. Follow me.
Museum, this way.
I actually haven't been here since I was 6 years old. I've just seen this train and my memories have come flooding back. This is wonderful. Let's go check it out. How cool is that? This is the second best thing you can do for free in all of the UK. It comes second only to St Fagans National Museum of History in Cardiff.
And it just beat number 3, which was the RAF, Royal Air Force Museum in Cosford. They've even got a railway bridge. Follow me.
Why not visit the National Railway Museum? You can visit for free. Follow me this way to the viewing balcony. Wow. And the most popular part of the attraction is to watch actual trains not running because all the train drivers are on strike. Amazingly, there's a train not on strike. Look at that! Wow! Don't see many of those in the UK. The Intercity 125. These are the trains I grew up with. Nice. And whilst those trains behind me are absolutely amazing and they're full size. Let's spin around and show you what I've just seen. You're not going to believe this. It's a model railway. Check that out. This way.
So Cara, what do you think of the UK's second best free entertainment venue?
It's very good, isn't it?
Julie getting a picture of the Railway Museum from the viewing platform.
What a really good idea this is, getting people to put their most memorable rail experiences. But this one cracks me up. Somebody's wrote here about how on the old trains you used to have to lower the window so that you could open the door once you're in the station, and they said they like playing slap or clap coming into the station. They lower the window before the station, stick your hand out and see how many people high five you.
I like this one. Someone's favourite travel experience was travelling on a train to Oxford and eating a Kit Kat in the UK for the first time. But apparently, American ones taste better. My most memorable moment of train journeys in the UK is being too scared to book one, because they never run. They're always on strike.
Let's get a special coin for the day. Got one with a train on that says National Railway Museum, and we got one with an emblem on. It's just absolutely amazing to be able to walk amongst these giant feats of awesome engineering. It's incredible. Wow, that was amazing and free.
You spend the whole day in there,
You could spend the whole day in there. It was awesome.
Wow, what a wonderful day at the National Railway Museum.
Amazing. It's no wonder it's been voted the second best free day out in the UK. Awesome.
And what a wonderful time we had with Cara from
so
Open-Minded
lovely.
Wanderer. If you haven't checked out her content, we'll drop a link below. Go over there, you won't be disappointed. Bye.
Bye.